no time to waste. After fueling up, we needed to hit the road again for our next adventure with a hero. A shero of mine. Everyone, please say hi to Marcel.
I am the owner of Alayuk Adventure, and I started this company 15 years ago. We organize dog sledding tour because I have sled dogs, and I like to share my passion. The Yukon for me is the best place on earth because the winter are long, so it's good for us. My dogs are Alaskan Husky, and they come from long distance racing kennel. I keep all my dogs until the end of their life.
Wow, that's
I
so
don't
nice.
like to sell dogs. It's why I'm still working, and maybe I will be still working until 80 years old.
3, 2, 1, go! From Whitehorse, Yukon Territory, Canada, that is Marcel Fresina at Iditarod of 42.
Marcel has raised sled dogs since 1988. Along with her pack of sled dogs, Marcel has completed in the two biggest 1,000-mile races, the Yukon Quest in 2012 and the Iditarod in 2014, as well as 2015. We have arrived! Again, Alayuk Adventures.
Yeah, that'd be great. So all these are retired?
Yes, except the cat.
The cat's not retired.
He raced the Yukon Quest, the Iditarod, and a lot of
Wow.
Lead.
tour.
Yeah, the lead dog as well.
Yeah.
You should come prepared, but if not, they also have snow pants to keep you warm. So, right there, I think I'm almost there.
How are you? Oh, you look so excited.
We urge you to do your due diligence, making sure you go with a reputable operator, one that loves, understands, and cares for their pack. Someone like Marcel and her team of operators here at Alayuk Adventures. Get it? Alaska, Yukon, Alayuk. As Marcel is committed to her pack, she does not adopt them out after retirement. Therefore, she only keeps as many dogs as she can care for until their last days here on Earth. Now that we are bundled up, it's finally time to meet our new best friends.
I made a new friend.
New friend, it is. These dogs are so cute. I think I need to get my own now, right? You coming home with me? I think it might be a little bit camera. Hello. I think he's my my new friend and co-worker. Hello, what's your name? Hobbit. Thanks for coming with me today. Ooh. I think I'm in love.
Superstar sled driver.
She's so famous. That's a famous champion right there.
Yeah,
Excited?
I'm super excited. I love dog sledding, and being driven means you get to just sit back and relax.
I love the sunlight.
Alayuk Adventures is always fully booked due to the fact that Marcel and her team choose to keep the operation a small family business rather than to expand to meet the demand. Therefore, we advise you book early if you want to experience this majestic adventure with the legend that is Marcel and her pack of 45 Alaskan Huskies.
So that's our driver in the back working hard, directing the dogs, and she loves these dogs. Been doing it for like say 35 years. That's our experience. And here's a downhill. Woohoo! Woo!
Dogs are considered to be man's best friend, perhaps better recognized as human's best friend, and I, for one, often prefer the company of a dog to another human. As far as archaeologists can tell, dog sledding was invented by the Native and Inuit people in the northern parts of modern Canada, before rapidly spreading throughout the continent and beyond. Current archaeological evidence shows that this mode of transportation has been dated to around 1000 AD.
So that's a driver right up there. He's amazing, and he knows, and really good friends, all the dogs. You need to have amazing working relationship colleagues here, you know, to put this all together.
3 months of experience is enough to know all the dogs.
3 months, that's what you said.
History shows us that the First Nations organized the dogs as pack animals for transporting supplies and moving camps. Initially, dogs carried small packs of supplies on their backs, though it was discovered that they could drastically increase the load the dogs transported if they pulled it. Therefore, on the Great Plains, the dogs pulled travois, and in the northern forests, toboggans and sleds were used. Horses gradually replaced dogs for transport as they became more available on the northern plains in the 18th century.
Another fun fact about these dogs is the average working age actually of the dogs you see in our pack is 8 years old. However, the oldest is actually in the house is actually 16. So we got all generation member of the society in dogs here represented.
Dog sled operators offer both half-day as well as full-day tours, and most also offer you the option to try your hand at driving the sled if you're feeling adventurous. Though you are always welcome to chill in the sled, giving you the opportunity to take the perfect shots to update all your socials.
It's fun. Oh my goodness, right there. This is the home base, and we are, as you can see, we are coming in. Beautiful. My goodness, it's so sad.
Marcelle is a published author and offers her books in both English and French. She will even personalize and autograph a copy just for you.
Oh my god, I'm so sad. So she's actually, there you go.